Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Nissan Navara STX MP300 N-Track dual cab Ute, stock reference number 4997. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 through to the 11th month 2020. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left front, it's actually a set of 17-inch Hustler mags with Maxxis Rzr tyres, all good tread, all with no rash. Left power door mirror, factory side steps, N-track type. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch Maxis tyre and Hustler mag. Left tail light, Ironman rear bumper. Tailgate appears to have no damage. EGR canopy with all bolts and brackets. Right tail light. Right rear 17-inch Hustler aftermarket mag with a Maxxis Rzr AT tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with 4 bolts and brackets. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch Maxxis tyre with Hustler rim. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and orange leather interior. Leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.